Okay, hello. It's 9:30 and it's May 1st, 2021. We're going to be looking at the monthly review for April tomorrow, right? Because I'm pretty tired. I did go to the Pine Barrens today. It was a beautiful day, but it was exhausting because, as you know, we had no train service in Mineola with no connecting shuttle buses. So it has like almost an hour additional travel time for me, so it's pretty exhausting. But I did make it to the Pine Barrens, and it was absolutely beautiful. Clear skies throughout much of the day. Nice breeze, comfortable temperatures, and lots of great shapes, of course. And you'll definitely want to stay tuned to that video. And you'll also see that the oaks are starting to get some leaves budding. So, looking at the satellite, you can see we do have some more clouds rolling in now. There's a little scattered cirrus late in the afternoon, and we have a lot more denser cirrus coming. This is actually with some showers that are to the north of us. Right now, if we look at the radar, you'll see here, this is all part of a warm front, actually, these showers. They are going to stay to our north, though. Showers and maybe even some thunderstorms. Looks like around there, looks like Kingston, somewhere up there, up in Canada there. Not too familiar with that area, but unusual to see that. I'm wondering if there's any lightning with that. Probably not, but you know what the heck, we'll give it a look and we'll see. If there is actually lightning being generated by these. No, just rainmakers, just heavy rain. But definitely some impressive looking activity there. So let's look at some of the current temperatures outside right now. Depending on where you are, temperatures are in the mid-50s here in the central Nassau County area. Mid-50s also on the South Shore. You'll notice some radiational cooling, though, in interior areas of the North Shore, like Old Brookville, where you have 46 degrees. And you'll see, again, some radiational cooling going on there in those interior areas of Suffolk County. And I'm sure surprisingly, the Pine Barrens is not radiationally cooling that much. 46 still in the Pine Barrens areas. And West Hampton is reporting 50. Well, this map may not show West Hampton. And then we make our way into the city where it's warmer, still around 60 degrees, still low 60s. That's the urban heat island for you right there. And then as you make your way into New Jersey, you could see low 50s there in New Jersey. We have dry air. If we look at the dew point right now, you see dew points generally in the 30s. Let's go look at the other weather observation network here with the weather and hazards map, and you will see temperatures. You can see those colder temperatures there up in those interior areas like Old Brookville, 45. They can get some pretty good radiational cooling sometimes too. And actually, West Hampton is reporting 41 degrees. So, yeah, I had a feeling it wouldn't show up on the 1 degree ground site. But 41 is being reported at West Hampton. They're probably going to go well into the 30s tonight. Should be at least a chance at radiational cooling before some more clouds roll in. And, again, those dew points nice and low. Dew points in the mid-30s. Did have some breezy, windy conditions. Not wind advisory criteria, but it was a breezy day, which fortunately kept the bugs at bay. Not too many flies up by those lakes, which is a miracle. They're probably out in Jersey, but so far not yet here, but they probably will be in a matter of weeks. So let's take a look and see what the high temperatures got up to today. And we have high temperatures generally got up into the mid-60s, just as I thought. 64 at Carl Place, 63 at Farmingdale, 63 at Islip, 63 also at West Hampton. So 63 seems to be a common number all around Long Island right now. For the highs. And, generally northwest winds to light winds tonight. Winds are pretty much calm tonight now with still fairly clear skies. High getting up to 64 in Manhattan. Let's take a look and see how much hotter it was in Toms River today. 67. So, yeah, got to tack on a couple more degrees there. A couple degrees away from 70 there in Jersey. So 3 or 4 more degrees warmer there in New Jersey. So let's go take a look at the... Oh, I didn't even put the models up here. All right, I didn't even do that yet. Yeah, it shows you how tired I am. Jeez, do apologize. But it's too late for me to go over the May information. Like I said, I'm pretty tired, so I'll do it tomorrow. And I'm just going to go over a few days here to show you what's going to happen over the next couple of days. We're not even going to look at the big weather map. We're just going to look at for the Northeast, and we're just going to go to the HRRR now. And we should have enough of the 0Z run, so we can take a look at the next 24 hours. That's as far as I'm going to go in this weather update. So we'll have more clouds around tomorrow and a slight chance for shower. It looks like some really scattered activity early Sunday morning And then another small batch of showers might roll through around 8 in the morning. And then just very scattered showers. It won't be raining all day. Very widely scattered. This heavier area showers goes to our north tomorrow night. And then as we make our way into Monday, you will see that another larger area of rain gets closer to us. But we'll talk about that tomorrow night. So let's take a look at what tomorrow's temperature is going to be, because they're going to be warmer than today. We got that warm front coming through, and that gets us into the 70s tomorrow. Jersey, you're probably hitting 80, all right? Toms River, you're going above 80. For Long Island, depending on where you're at, we're going to have low 70s probably in the middle of the island, maybe mid-70s on the North Shore, South Shore. 60s, there will be a sea breeze. South Shore, again, the place to be. And you clearly see that sea breeze coming in right there as the afternoon wears on. And then you can see, look at what's going on here. It looks like a backdoor front tries to set up. And this is kind of an indicator of what we're going to be dealing with, which is going to be stall fronts throughout the week. But, yeah, tomorrow is going to be quite hot in Jersey. You're definitely going to get up above 80 degrees. And the humidity is going to be up there, too. So the dew points will be, not oppressive, but you'll feel the humidity. Dew points in the low 50s. And you'll feel a little moisture in the air. Strong southwest wind, so that should hopefully mean a good sea breeze for Long Island, hopefully for tomorrow. Let's go look at the. I'm going to go to the skies. We'll look at the skies next. Like I said, the HRRR is a pretty good model for temperature. Hey, everybody has their windows open here, so I'm sorry if you hear other people talking here. My face in the alley, the deal with that. So, but anyway, you can see the clouds. Tomorrow. So there'll be a decent amount of high clouds, but there'll be some sunshine mixed in, so it won't be completely overcast. And, of course, a slight chance of a shower, though. It really won't be all that much. It won't be a bad Sunday, but it'll definitely be a junkier compared to today's crystal clear skies and nice clean air. It'll definitely be a junkier feel in the air and a junkier look in the skies, sure, with all these clouds around. And the RGM will be the same deal with that as well, as you can see. And it'll be mostly these higher level clouds that we'll be dealing with tomorrow. So let's go look at the and we had some of them roll in tonight, a little bit of it. It actually made for a nice sunset, although there were some contrails in there too, but it still made for a colorful sunset. But anyway, I have pictures, but I can't even find them right now. You know what? I'll you'll see a little bit of it in another video I made. But anyway, let's go to Ventus Sky. All right, so we'll look at this for tomorrow. Put this on temperature, and we'll look at tomorrow. So tomorrow is May 2nd, so we'll move this over to 1 o'clock, and you'll see this is 1 o'clock, and you see you're pushing 80 degrees in Jersey. And even across, you can see that westerly component may get us. Again, the South Shore is going to be cooler. And then as you move it along to 3 o'clock, you'll see the South Shore will have more of a sea breeze. But inland, it could still be. This thing still thinks it's going to hit near 80 on the North Shore, and even in the middle of the island. So we'll have to see. That's the problem. That southwesterly component means it's going to be traveling over New Jersey. See, this is the problem for us. See, it showed this the last time, and we were actually better off, not as bad as this said, but this is the problem. When you have this air over, it's literally coming right from Ocean County, going over the New York Harbor for a little bit, and then going back over land before it gets and heats up some more by the time it gets to Mineola. And that's the story for most of Nassau County, except if you're on the South Shore, of course. Whether that'll be right or not is another story, because it did seem to overestimate the temperatures on the last one a little bit. There was a decent sea breeze, and you can see by 5 o'clock it definitely drops most of Nassau County into the 70s, except for the North Shore, which is still in the 80s. Toms River, you're going to be dealing with mid-80s all day long, and it's going to be brutal for you. It's just not going to be a nice day tomorrow. It's going to be humid. It's not going to be as nice like it was today. Some people like this weather, but I don't, and it's going to be uncomfortable. And as far as the chances for thunderstorms go, not really any chance of severe weather, but we'll go ahead and look at the lifted index, where some areas might be a little higher to the north and the west. And like I said, especially over Jersey. But we'll have to see what happens. Tomorrow we may see some convection, but whatever forms will be very scattered. So tomorrow we return to a more summer-like feel with Junky skies. And unless you're on the South Shore or the East End, you're going to be sweating tomorrow. So, and of course, we have no train service too. So don't they get it all? So annoying. Anyway, that's going to be it for this weather update. Thanks for watching.